Hello, my name is Amanda Augustine. I'm a certified professional career coach, resume writer, and the resident career expert at Career.io, the only platform designed to guide you through every stage of your lifelong career journey. In this video series, I'll provide you with practical tips and short exercises you can complete to immediately improve your job search and career success. Today, let's focus on a simple yet effective exercise I like to call Billboard Top Hits. This exercise was originally adapted from the 5 O'Clock Club's 7 Stories exercise. The goal of this exercise is to help you pinpoint the types of job opportunities that will allow you to thrive, given your top skills, core values, and your ideal work environment. Here's how it works. I want to take you on a trip down memory lane and consider what are some of the most rewarding or satisfying moments from your past, your top hits, so to speak. Some of these accomplishments might already be highlighted on your resume, such as getting a highly sought-after promotion, crushing your sales goals for a quarter, successfully leading a big cross-functional project for the first time, or helping to resolve a complicated technical issue with a customer. While the achievements on your list are usually work-related, they don't have to be, especially if you're new to the workforce. You can also take into account what you've achieved while at school, during your internships or co-ops, or while pursuing your hobbies and interests. Brainstorm at least 10 accomplishments and then choose your top 5 proudest moments. Once you have your personal Billboard top hits, answer the following questions for each. 1. Why do I consider this accomplishment to be among the most important? What about it did I enjoy so much? Number 2. What was my involvement? Was I tasked with something, or did I initiate it on my own? 3. What was my key motivation? Was it for recognition? Was I helping the greater good? Was I solving a complex problem? 4. What was the work environment like? Was it entrepreneurial and fast-paced, or slower but controlled? 5. What was the focus of the project? What skills did I get to utilize or hone throughout? For example, problem solving, leadership, creativity, data analysis. And 6, what core values drove my work during the project? For instance, collaboration, accountability, innovation, service excellence, efficiency, the list goes on. Once you've answered these questions for each of your top hits, take a step back and look for patterns. In other words, what is consistently appearing or absent from your responses? The themes in your responses can help you define the types of opportunities that best suit your skills, your preferred work style, and your personality. Keep this information in mind as you begin building a target company list and exploring job listings using Career.io's job search tool and other job boards. And that's it for now. I'm Amanda Augustine for Career.io. Whether you want to find a new job, excel in your career, or make a career change, Career.io's platform has all the tools and services you need all in one place.